Hello everyone. Try to read this question. This question is about Jotedars and come up with correct answer. I'll give you some time. Fine. So the question says, with reference to Jotedars, consider following statements and you have to find the correct statement. So the first says, they were a class of rich peasants involved in money lending. Let me explain who were Jotedars. So Jot in Bengali means land, and Jotedars were people who were supposed to cultivate land, or they were supposed to cultivate the crops, but they became middlemen. So long story short, there were land reforms and other things introduced by British, and Jamindars were the landowners. But in between there were Jotedars who started acquiring a lot of land, and they became powerful, and they started doing sharecropping, money lending and other stuff, and they were very powerful in rural areas. So if you know this much, then you can solve this question. So first statement will become correct, that yes, they were a class of rich peasants and they used to do money lending. So first statement is correct. The second statement, they were located in village instead of urban areas. Yes, in urban areas the Jamindars used to live, but in the rural areas the Jotedars were very powerful. So second statement is also correct. The third statement, it says they were authorized to pay revenue directly to the British. The revenue, which is called Jama, this was decided by Jotedars, but Jotedars were not supposed to pay to the British. This was done by the Jamindars. Jotedars used to give the revenue to the Jamindar, and usually they delayed this payment, and the land of the Jamindar used to get auctioned, and they used to buy that land and used to become Jamindar. So this is incorrect. They were not giving the revenue to the British directly. So third will be incorrect. So two options are correct. The correct answer will be B. All of you who have answered B as your option, you are right. Congratulations. For more such discussions, please follow our channel. Thank you.